Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add voice changing filters in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Then here tap a new project and import your video or record a clip directly in CapCut. Then tap on the video or audio clip in the timeline to highlight it. A toolbar will appear at the bottom. And scroll through the toolbar and tap the audio effects. And you'll see different voice changing options such as the voice filters, voice characters, and speech songs. And you can choose whatever filters and voice characters that you like. And tap 1 to preview how your audio sounds. Then, once you're happy with the filter, you can now tap the check mark to apply it. You can mix the voice effects with background music or sound effects for a creative vibe. And when finished, tap export at the top right to save your video with the voice change audio. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.